Dad, can I watch TV? Sure, Caillou. What would you like to watch? University Terminal. Okay, let me turn the TV on.
We shall dance, Ginger, and who doesn't love a nice puppy, too? We've got our big Dancing with the Stars showdown.
I am bored. Caillou and Dad are watching TV. Mom went grocery shopping. HMMMM. That's it. I will steal our RC car from the store and give it to Caillou and he will be grounded. Muhahahahahaha. How did I get here? Anyways, let's wait for a bus. Oh wow. There is a RC car store. It's called Danzar Hush Sudhate. Okay, never mind.
Hi, welcome to Dan's RC car shop. How may I help you?
I want that expensive RC car.
Okay, that will be $200. Wait! You didn't pay.
Hey Caillou. I got a present for you.
What? Really?
Yup. Here you go.
Yeah, this is what I needed. Thank you so much, Rosie.
You're welcome. It's a RC car.
Caillou. Come down here right now. Caillou. How dare you?
It was actually Rosie.
I can't believe it was Rosie. Doris, thanks for telling me. Caillou. You're ungrounded. Rosie, how dare you steal our RC car and get Caillou grounded? He was crying. That's it, you're grounded for 82737466266262736363363 years. Go to your dirty room now.
Wow 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 wow. She was dusky Halloween in TMTHP until turbo form sued dude.